Hey everybody, it's Wheel Collectors. Thank you for joining us. It's been fun to mail out all the winners' prizes this week. We got most of it done Tuesday and Wednesday like we had said. We've got another drawing tomorrow that we're going to do the basic cases that we did. But I wanted to show you this right here. This came in this week and I really wasn't sure what it was. But I want to show it to you today. We're going to do a case unboxing. Here we go. This right here, it's funny that it comes in July because it's holiday cars. Okay? This is the new holiday cars for 2020. And they're pretty cool. It's got one of my favorite castings in it, and I'll talk about that here in a second. So we're just going to do the 3x3 that we normally do. Okay, there's 3 Rocksters. The next little 3x3 is the Rockster and 2 Streamliners. The next 3 is the Audacious and 2 more Streamliners. Then we got 3 more Audacious. By the way, this is a 24 car case. The 24 cars come in it. And it's a 6-car set of holiday. So there's the card backs. But this one right here is 3 Scorchers. Then we got another Scorcher, 2 Muscle Tones. One of the things they do on these special releases like this is they put different wheels on it that don't normally come on. Okay. And the next 3, 2 more Muscle Tones and a Carbonator. It's a 2020 New Year's Carbonator for the holidays. I love this car. One of the reasons why I wanted to show you guys this case is one of the things that I think is fun, and that's the end of the case right there, and the last 3 were Carbonator. But I want to show you guys this because this is a different way to collect. I absolutely love the Carbonator. It's my personal favorite that no one else really likes. I don't know anyone else that collects this. I have about 200 of these, and I pick them up off the pegs for $1. And what I do is I hand them out to everybody when we have an event or we go to a game or whatever, and people think it's amazing that, you know, there's a bottle opener that's a Hot Wheel. I'm assuming most of you have seen this one before. But it's a bottle opener. Very cool. Okay, here's the case down view, or top down view of this case. Thank you for joining us. You know what? We're going to go ahead and give out 2 sets for people that comment. We'll mail out 2 sets. We've gotten a lot of responses from you guys of how much you like the giveaways. So we're going to keep doing it for the short time. But 2 sets. There's the case down. Thanks, guys.